Hi everyone. So, welcome to my channel once again. Today is day 99. And what's special about day 99? So today it is also the ninth day of the Sahara. So, happy the Sahara or happy Navratri Puja. Tomorrow on the 100th day we will be marking Vijayadashmi. So today's session will be a very short and crisp session. We are just trying to resolve one of the integration with the my post. So just get back to Jira and track our work. What the pending task we have, what we need to start if no pending task is there, and then we will proceed with that. So let's begin. We are in the API integration. Now it's loading. You can see search is done, user review is done, admin, all API is done. Now we were doing the my post. If you remember yesterday, we have resolved one of the problem of images. It was not visible and they were missing code. So we have resolved that. Also, uh, I tried to update few things on myself. Like in the update part, I have added this, and also in the popover, I have also tried to some of the changes. Like I have created a text area so that whenever I edit the caption, I require that caption. All right. So let's see. So if you remember, this is a page. This is the home page. This is notification. This is there. So now let's see. I want to change this to this is test change. Now let's get some error. Let's cancel this and see. It says unauthorized. Okay. Unauthorized means there's somewhere I'm missing the token. So where is token defined? If I see in the API response this part authorization. Now if you remember we have changed this. What we have changed this from? We have changed authorization to authentication token. So let's try this. Or does this work after changing this? I've just changed it for edit. This is changed caption. Again edit failed. But this time I can see 404. Why it is there? Because uh, what we sent the caption. But if you see my post API, what it require post ID as well because it doesn't find any post ID with that. So let's go here and see what we can do. Now default, do we require something? We require ID. And where do you get this ID from? Now in the my post we have to send this on edit data, and let's see. I require two things. First, let's see what it sends. And in the popover, we will see what we receive. So let's see. Let me clear this. Now let's see. This is change caption. Nothing is there. We do not get anything. We do not get anything here as well. So it's an edit function and we want to send the caption, but let me change the other way around. So let's make it location equals to args. In the post, it will also have this. So let me try that. Again, clear this. This is change caption. It's in the popover. So let's try to do this. Again, it failed. ID is not defined. So we are removing this thing. This is post image. Change caption. Now we know the error here. It's in the my post. ID equals to this. Got an expected keyword argument post ID. I got it. Now I have made an error. Here we not require any of those things. So let's wait for server response. My post output. So let me check the model. I know that worked. So argument. Let's see. Thing like this in the argument where we have got this search API. Recently we resolved this. query page per page. Init line. So I can see the post ID is undefined. So I know now the thing is we have to send check the post ID. Sorry, selected post. Open menu item. So it pushes the selected post dot value equals to post. So there is no ID, it's post ID. We got some post ID as well. Not slash. It should be like this. A successful edit not allowed. So now I need to check search API, post API. Yes, it must give like this way. Now, why I get the failed option here, even though I get 200? See, edit failed. So now I know that is from the front end part. Means it didn't get to here. Response.data.message. changed caption. So let me try this. Edit successful and I'm getting the response. And it means the response has data.message. Now props.onEdit call is there in my post. Changed caption. Oppo Unchas. What happens if I just do this? Change. Limit is not defined. So I'm getting this response. Similarly, let me first change this. I know delete will also work, but again it will have some error here. It must have some trigger issue, and that is based on props.onDelete. What happened? Props.onDelete. This function will get called. with the data. So everywhere this ID will become post ID. Basically, it's changing the data. So we have to send the ID. I got the issue. So to let you know what the issue is, so it's finding the data and we are not sending any data again. And here it also finding the data which we are not sending it again. So here we are just getting the response from the message delete successful, and if successful what we do, we have to get the data and send back to in procs.onDelete, and which is we are not doing that. What we are doing, instead we are sending just messages and data doesn't have that data. So we require those things and we will do that, right? So here what it require, data in form of, we'll find post ID of the data. So we have to send the post ID and data caption. So instead of this, what we will do, whatever we receive based on the message, we will change this. Based on the message, if message is successful, what we will do, we will again call this function fetch post. Let's try for the edit first. If data equals to even though if there is nothing, we will just require this. So let me try this again. Change it. Now I am getting error at emit. So I have to resolve the emit part, why it is not working. I guess today it's been a long and we have not able to resolve this. We will resolve this tomorrow. Alright. So that's all from my side for today. So I'm just dropping it off for today, and on the 100th day we will mark this end and we will start with the admin dashboard. Thank you.